CHC incident.
Yeah. Okay, so that's also one of the point which I really like to share with all of you here regarding the sequence of event which happened at Mawïong CHC. So the Meghalaya department, the health department, government of Meghalaya, placed the following factual account on record regarding the medical attention provided to Honourable Member of Parliament, Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon at Mawïong Community Health Centre, CHC, on the evening of 19 February 2026, based on the inspection and inquiry conducted by the District Medical and Health Officer, DMHO East Khasi Hills. So these are the sequence of events as mentioned below. So firstly, that on 6:53 p.m., 108 emergency call center received a call about the event, and ambulance was dispatched immediately to Mawïong Rim playground from Laumali. At approximately 7:15 p.m., Honorable MP Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon was brought to the emergency room of Mawïong CHC by accompanying person following a reported collapse while playing football at a nearby ground. On arrival, the patient was unconscious and unresponsive. Initial assessment revealed blood pressure not recordable, pulse not palpable. The patient was immediately attended by the staff nurse on emergency duty, and the medical officer on call was intimated. Oxygen support was initiated promptly. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, which is called CPR, was administered. Despite this resuscitation efforts, the patient did not respond. In view of the critical condition and non-response to initial resuscitation, the patient party was informed of the need for immediate referral to a higher facility. Referral and transport. At approximately 7:20 p.m., arrangements were made for transfer. The patient was shifted with oxygen support by the Mawïong CHC ambulance. The ambulance reached H. Robert Gordon Hospital at approximately 7:40 p.m., where the patient was handed over to the emergency team for further management. As per the medical report of Robert Hospital on arrival, the patient vitals were not recordable and pupils were also bilaterally fixed and dilated. So, out of this, the finding of the inquiry. The inquiry confirmed that emergency assessment and basic life support measures were initiated promptly upon the patient arrival at Mawïong CHC. The staff present acted within the scope and capacity of a community health center, including immediate examination, oxygen administration, initiation of CPR, and timely referral to a higher facility. There is no finding of refusal of care or delay in referral at Mawïong CHC. So, through this, the health department reiterates its deep condolence to the bereaved family and the people of Meghalaya. And also, we realize that sudden medical emergencies such as sudden cardiac arrest are time critical events where outcomes depend on multiple factors, including patient underlying condition and immediacy of advanced life-saving intervention. So this is the inquiry report which we have sent the DMHO of East Khasi Hills to find the sequence of event in CHC Mawïong.
What about the absence of doctor there?
See, regarding the doctors, because right now like already I mentioned in today's assembly question also in the house, that right now we are like in the tremendous shortage of doctors in our state. But nevertheless, there were actually 4 doctors posted at Mawïong CHC. Number 1 is Dr. Gromor Longdok. Number 2 is Dr. Amin Nongrim. A third one is Dr. Rahul C.H. Marak, and the 4th is Dr. Wandai Jo Nongtru. But out of these 4, 2 are under PG leave for higher studies. And Dr. Wandai Jo Nongtru is transferred to Clariat CHC since May because of her medical condition. So as you understand that there is only one doctor there. And for him also we have sent through and find out through the inquiry that he was there the whole day from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. attending OPD cases. As he is the only medical officer in charge of the CHC, he was available on call. And I already mentioned in the sequence of things which happened, the nurse, whatever she was doing, she was on call with the doctor, under the doctor guidance only. So we do understand, no doubt it is very unfortunate that at that particular moment, doctor was not there. But all the necessary procedures were followed as the medical emergencies.